इस दुनिया में हर एक प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने के दो ही रास्ते हैं, या तो भाग लो और या भाग लो। द मीनिंग ऑफ दैट स्टेटमेंट इज इन द होल वर्ल्ड टू सॉल्व एनी काइंड ऑफ प्रॉब्लम देयर आर ओनली टू वेज। द वन इज टू रन अवे एंड द अनदर वन इज टू पार्टिसिपेट। जिसका मतलब है भाग लो या भाग लो, जिसका मतलब भाग लेने से मतलब कि उसमें पार्टिसिपेट करना, दूसरा भाग लेने का मतलब कि भाग जाना। Hello guys, I am Devinder, a youth mentor and young motivational speaker, welcoming all of you in my new video. So the today's particular topic is how to deal with problems. So after a long time here we are. I hope you all are doing well because we are back on our track. So this video is going to be very beneficial. So let's get started into the video. Quite a lot has been said that the problems are part of life, but that is not actually true. Sometimes the people says that if you are alive then problems will definitely come. But the word problem has no meaning in itself. The situation which has we have to confront and which is coming to our life, or the another thing which is event, the thing which is happening to us will give the meaning to that problem. That is a good or bad. Maybe it could be anything. So the events are a good word. Event will definitely come to us, and the situations, the events which are coming to our life is not in our hand, right? That is a true thing. The event, the situation which is coming to our life, that is not in our hand. The thing which is in our hand is to respond. How do we respond to that event? That will determine a good thing or bad thing which is going to happen to your life. And the another thing, the one particular thing which is in our hand is response. How do we respond to that situation will determine the outcome. Maybe it could be a good or bad. So there is a one statement which will change the perspective to see the things is, if you change the way you look at the things you looking at they change, and actually it happens. So we need to change our mind, we need to change our perspective to see the things. Apart from that, the problems will come, but the quantity of it can be lesser or more. So that is only up to you. So if you are a good thinker, if you are taking problems as a new opportunity, then it will be okay for you. So the thing, the final moral of that video is, how do we deal with problem? So that is only up to you, how to respond to that event, how to respond to situation. You will give meaning to that situation. If something happened to you, for example, if your loved someone passed away, or the another thing, if you are got fired from your job, or anything a hurt happened to you, then the thing is only is in your hand how to respond to that situation. So the only thing your response will determine the thing which is good or bad. So you have to change your perspective to see the things. So ultimately your response to that event will determine the thing is problem or not. So by doing regular practice we can easily get a upgraded level of emotions. Then we can easily give a good response to some event, then it would be a good. So I hope you had enjoyed the video. I hope you will get lot of points to be learned. So finally, thanks to all who had watched my video. So if you had not subscribed my channel, then do subscribe and do comments on my video. Also, if you like my video, then press the like button. Thanks to all guys.